Hi guys, how's it going? I hope you're having a good day so far. My name is NubbQueen and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is super important for your Valheim game to cross the super noob stage and entering a new age. So let's get started. Burial chambers are located in the Black Forest. Before finding the dungeon, you will notice some skeleton already running around or coming up to you. That means you're close to finding one of them. There are usually several in one Black Forest biome. Before entering, bring torches with you. It's a must. Make sure you have a short-range weapon. I find bats super useful. They hit hard at this stage and you don't really need to stand that close to them to get to them. So it's great. The chambers are small and it's not very efficient to use long-range weapons. Bring a shield for sure as well. Ghosts are sometimes in there too, but not very often. Bow and arrows are useful on ghosts, so maybe have them on you just in case. The entrance look like this, usually, or something of the sort. Just like troll caves, if you're low on life, just get out of the dungeon and recover, and everything will stay the same inside the dungeon as you left it. Skeletons do not respawn, so you don't have to worry about that. Upon entering the dungeon, there are at least 2, sometimes 3 pathways you can follow. You can easily get lost in there, so make sure to follow the path one at a time. Always have your shield up before you enter a room. Sometimes the skeletons are right there where you open the door and ready to attack you, so shield can block some of the attack while you decide what to do next. Go through each room slowly and pick up all the Surtling cores. They are priority. So if you have no space in your inventory and you have to pick one or the other, pick Surtling for sure. I also put yellow mushroom in priority because you can eat them, so that's fairly useful too. You will also find bone fragments, coins, embers, rubies, and ember pearls in the room, and chests. Lots of goodies inside. Other than skeletons and ghosts, you will also see evil bone piles sometimes. It's a skeleton spawner. Destroy them so it won't continuously spawning skeletons at you. As we currently don't have a huge use of the bone fragments, I don't see why we will be keeping the spawner at the moment. You will have too many of them without the spawner already. If you see ruins like this inside the room, make sure to interact with it, as it will show you the location of the second boss, the Elder, and it will mark it on your world map for you. Nothing will respawn in the dungeon, so once you have cleared out everything, the dungeon is no longer useful to you. So I usually just mark it down on my map as I cleared it, so I don't forget that I have already cleared it out. That's all you need to know about how to tackle burial chamber dungeons. I hope you liked this video. I hope this video will help some of you out. Have fun getting spooked. I will see you guys in the next video. Later!